be a pirate parrot?
Arr! I'm glad he asked this question. Back when I was a wee fledgling, my mother wanted a better life for me, so she sent me off to the briny ocean, across the sea, from Africa. I am a red and gold scarlet macaw, if you have noticed. And I decided being a parrot would be beneficial to me, as I would always be getting plenty of booty.
And what is your least favorite part about life on a ship?
Oh, well, there's an old song by the Navy that goes, "We joined the Navy to see the world, and what did we see? We saw the sea. We saw the Atlantic and the Pacific, but the Pacific wasn't terrific. You get my drift. Long days at sea, a lot less rainforest, less tree canopies, but the sea becomes your second home."
And Captain Bradish, what is your favorite part about Captain Bradish?
Oh, a mighty fine captain indeed. Keeps a motley crew, but they're worth their weight in scurvy dogs.
They're worth their weight in scurvy dogs?
Aye, it's an old wives' tale from the sea of yore and forthwith.
And what are your feeling about women on pirate ships?
Well, the old adage is that women are no good luck on a ship, ye see. But...
And there's always a but.
But I be thinking they add terrible good fun and lively atmosphere to any occasion, whether it be on land or sea.
What is your favorite memory about a pirating experience?
Oh, this would be an easier question to ask if I wasn't so attracted to this pirate over here. Memories of old Swab. Swab and Squab. Oh, Lord. Oh, hello, Parrot. So good to see you again. It's been too long. I'm gonna continue looking out the window and thinking of our past and tales of yore. Your tales are the only ones I like to hear. Thank you, Parrot.
I think that's the end of the interview. Thank you so much for being with us today, Parrot.
Anytime!
Okay, cut.